Hey guys, Nolan here. GeoGuessr, Ontario National Parks again. We must be getting to almost number 20 at this point. Let's see what we got. This is an interesting start. This is the grotto or is this Indian Head Cove? I think this is Indian Head Cove. I think the grotto's up that way. This is a tough-ish first one. It's tough because like I know exactly where. Well, I know where it is. I just don't know exactly where it is. Like I'm somewhere in here. It says natural arch. I assume the natural arch is on this side, maybe. Because I am here, I think, right? Am I? Big old rock to my right, yeah. That must be the overhanging rock, yeah. I mean, I'm a little bit closer to this side, I'll be honest. But I don't see an arch, unless I'm on top of the arch. Like, does this flow under here? No. I got no idea. Can I get any more information? I started down there. So, gosh. Yeah. 5K. Okay. It's a good start. It's a good start. Ooh, that's tough. Point Peely Road. It's the windy part of it, though. Which is the only part I know where it winds quite a bit is near Delorier Homestead Trail. I guess parking lot, too. So let's see. We're going north right now. Let's see what we find. Parking lot. Delorier Homestead. No. So this isn't Point Peely. This is one of the stupid Bruce Peninsula roads I have on here. Awesome. Oh, what's this say? No, it is Point Peely. Why was there a road there? What? Yeah, we're at Point Peely. The thing is, I also don't know how old these are. These pictures it's giving me. So we're pretty far from the Marsh Boardwalk, I'll be honest. We're presumably somewhere along this section of road. So to our north, we have a hard bend to the right. So it could be like here-ish, would be my guess. Because looking south, it bends to what would be the right as well. So I was looking south, yeah. We could be on this kind of straight section of this road. Or the straight section of that road, which doesn't bend hard enough. I think we're there. Is there another option? Dunes should be a little bit south of us. Oop, other way. So let's go check. The Dunes parking lot should be just over here. Just over here. Hello? Dunes. Yeah. I think we're probably... One point off. It's a little farther north. Oh, that's okay. It's gone right now, the perfection anyways. Because we are in the middle of nowhere at Puckasaw. I've got nothing to work off of. You know, if this was a topographical map, we could maybe go somewhere. What does that mean? What does that do? Huh? Ooh. Weird. don't know what that pin does. Anyways. Undo move. What do you mean? Oh, that's cool. I know I'm moving like that's gonna help. It doesn't. Oh, we got a cove, outcropping, cove, outcropping, island, island, it looks like. So I'm gonna take my little piece of paper. Funny enough, I think I got perfect on a game earlier using the notepad strat. Maybe I didn't get perfect. This is a dollar store notepad, so it doesn't work well. Okay, so presumably we're looking south. So, but let's look. So if we were in theory looking north, we got an outcropping like that. Then it goes down, and it kind of has a little peninsula. Then it goes up. Then it goes back down. Then it goes out maybe like that. And it's got kind of like two islands there and there. So, oh, wrong one again. So that's, hopefully you guys can see that, maybe. There we go. So that's what I think I'm looking for. Ooh. Because I'm tight to me. I don't hate here, I guess. I just don't think it lines up. I don't hate it, but it's not it. I don't think, anyways. Imagine it was. That would suck. We need to, the problem is we need to zoom out right now to actually have a chance of looking at stuff. Fishermen's. Could we be along that? I don't hate that. I don't hate that. But this is definitely not an island. It's way too big. So we will continue. Although, no. Maybe I'll hold this up in my face so I can look at it. Can I be honest? I don't really like any of my options right now. I don't know if that's necessarily the fault of this location or if it's more my bad interpretation of what I was looking at that resulted in this bad drawing. But either way, I mean, these ones are almost always a lost cause, so yeah. It was literally the middle of nowhere. I was interpreting it pretty well. Because I had the island. Yeah, I didn't do terrible interpreting it. Was never going to find it, though, for being honest. Oh, gosh. This is rough. We're at Pakasaw. Right? No. Are we? I don't think so. Oh. We got a little dead end there. Oh, what's this say? Chimney. Okay. And ferry. Okay. So we're on Georgian Bay Islands National Park, probably. I think there's a chimney and a ferry trail. Now we play the old Find the Trail game. Oop. Ferry. Ferry. What one is this? We'll never know. Oops. Chimney? Don't know. Chimney? Cambrian, Cambrian. Chimney. So presumably right now we're there. I would assume. Oh, but Chimney Bay Dock could be as well. Could be either of those. I don't know. I got nothing at this point. We're on the ferry trail. We traveled west to get to this place. No. Yeah, we had to. We're gonna see from there. Oh, I was the other direction. The problem is I lose quite a bit of motivation when it's not a perfect. Like when I get one non-perfect, because I'm like, I'm going for perfect. So at this point, you know, kind of what's the point? I think this is Gordon. You with me. Gordon. Where did I start? I walked to my west. Kind of a ways. We're gonna say I'm there. It was Camelot. It's always Camelot. Alright. Alright. That's it for me. Bye.